Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Mitsubishi Lancer side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a wrench. Make sure you have the correct replacement mirror for your specific Lancer model. Before starting, park your vehicle on a level surface and ensure the ignition is completely off for safety. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Carefully use a trim removal tool to pry off the interior door panel, revealing the mirror's mounting points. Locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. Then, use your wrench to unscrew the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the mirror to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe for reuse. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new side mirror onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Hand tighten the 3 or 4 mounting bolts, then use your wrench to secure them firmly. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror. Before reassembling, test the mirror's power adjustments and any integrated turn signals to ensure they work correctly. Finally, let's finish up. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap firmly into place. Give the new mirror a final check to confirm all functions, like power adjustment and heating, are working perfectly. Take a moment to clean the new mirror and the surrounding door area. You've successfully replaced your Mitsubishi Lancer side mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.